A clear software comparison starts now, and AI voice will continue the walkthrough. When you break down FXPrismus pricing, the structure is clearly built around multiple account types, designed to match different trading styles, rather than forcing everyone into one cost model. FXPrismus offers Classic, Pro, Zero, and Synthetics accounts, each with a different balance between spreads, commissions, leverage, and minimum deposits. The Classic account is positioned as the entry-level option, using wider spreads starting around the mid-pip range with zero commission and a very low minimum deposit that makes it accessible to beginners who want simple pricing without per-trade fees. Leverage on this account can scale very high depending on equity levels, which lowers the capital barrier but increases risk exposure. The Pro account tightens spreads significantly, often around sub-pip levels, but introduces a fixed commission per lot depending on platform choice. This pricing structure targets experienced traders who want more predictable execution costs and tighter bid-ask pricing for intraday or swing trading. The Zero account pushes spreads down to zero on major instruments, but offsets that with a per-lot commission, making it more suitable for scalpers or high-frequency traders who prioritize spread compression over simplicity. FXPrismus also offers a synthetics account with ultra-tight spreads and extremely high effective leverage, designed specifically for traders looking to trade proprietary synthetic instruments rather than traditional forex pairs. Across all account types, FXPrismus uses MT4 and MT5 as its core platforms, keeping pricing execution familiar and widely supported. Minimum deposits vary significantly depending on account selection, which gives flexibility but also requires traders to choose carefully based on their actual strategy rather than marketing labels. Leverage scales dynamically based on equity tiers, meaning risk exposure increases as account balances change, which can be powerful but dangerous without disciplined risk management. Feature-wise, FXPrismus positions itself as a multi-asset broker, offering forex, indices, metals, energies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. The platform environment focuses on stability rather than heavy customization, relying on MetaTrader's ecosystem for indicators, automation, and strategy development. On the Pro side, FXPrismus offers flexible account structures, high leverage availability, multiple pricing models to suit different trading styles, and compatibility with industry-standard platforms. Traders who understand spread versus commission trade-offs can fine-tune their costs based on how frequently they trade and which instruments they focus on. On the con side, pricing complexity can be confusing for newer traders, especially when comparing spread-only versus zero-spread accounts with commissions. High leverage options amplify both gains and losses, making the platform less forgiving for undisciplined risk management. Some traders may also find the platform experience more functional than modern, as FXPrismus relies heavily on MetaTrader rather than proprietary trading environments. Overall, FXPrismus rewards traders who already understand cost structures and execution mechanics rather than those looking for simplified, guided trading experiences. FXTrading.com approaches pricing with a modular, accessibility-first philosophy that adapts to how actively a trader operates, rather than forcing everyone into a single cost structure. Its standard accounts bundle all trading costs directly into the spread, removing the need to calculate commissions on each trade. Minimum deposits stay intentionally low, which makes these accounts approachable for newer traders, strategy testers, or anyone scaling gradually. Spreads start at competitive levels and are designed to remain stable across normal market conditions, helping traders plan entries and exits without constantly adjusting for fluctuating fees. For traders who demand tighter pricing control, FXTrading.com introduces professional-grade zero and raw spread accounts. The Zero account pushes spreads towards zero, but comes with a higher minimum deposit, clearly positioning it for experienced traders who prioritize pricing transparency and consistent execution. The raw spread account lowers the capital barrier while applying a per lot commission, offering a practical middle ground between retail accessibility and institutional style cost efficiency. Leverage remains high across all account types, giving traders flexibility to deploy capital aggressively, though disciplined risk management becomes essential at elevated exposure levels. Platform support is broad and deliberately familiar. FXTrading.com supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 across desktop and mobile, with full expert advisor compatibility, hedging support, and market execution backed by deep liquidity. Asset coverage spans forex, indices, commodities, metals, energies, cryptocurrencies, and equities, enabling diversified strategies without juggling multiple platforms. Execution speed, order routing, and platform stability are treated as core infrastructure rather than marketing features. One of the strongest tools is the demo environment, which closely mirrors live pricing and execution. This allows traders to stress test strategies, automation, and risk parameters under realistic conditions before committing capital. Educational content, market commentary, and platform guides are available, but the broker clearly prioritizes performance and execution reliability over heavy handholding. From a user sentiment perspective, Trustpilot feedback adds useful context. FXPrismus currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.9 out of 5, with reviewers frequently highlighting professionalism, account manager support, and platform reliability, while some point to average spreads and region-specific promotions as limitations. FXTrading.com holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.4 out of 5, with traders often praising smooth onboarding, platform ease of use, competitive pricing, and responsive customer support, alongside occasional feedback about leverage risk and the learning curve for less experienced traders. Ratings can change over time, so viewers should always verify the latest information directly on Trustpilot. Final takeaway: FXPrismus is better suited for traders who value structured account tiers, clearly defined leverage rules, and a service-driven environment with strong human support. FXTrading.com is ideal for traders who prioritize flexible entry points, aggressive leverage options, familiar MT4 and MT5 workflows, and professional raw pricing without unnecessary friction. Neither broker is universally better. The right choice depends on whether you prefer guided structure or execution-first flexibility. If this breakdown helped you decide which platform truly fits how you trade, hit like, subscribe for more no-fluff broker comparisons, and click the link below to explore the platform that matches your strategy, not just the marketing headlines.